American Chamber of Commerce in the States, my good friend Sherry, other officials of the Chamber, my sister from Zenith Bank, other distinguished personalities here, more than 5 or 6 times. And I think this is what chambers are supposed to be doing. I wish I was around in the morning, but I learned the discussion was on handling of packaging and handling. Packaging and handling is a major problem affecting businessmen. If you look at it from the lowest level, a farmer, we are every day encouraging farmers to produce. But let us just take the case of tomato. Very important issues, and even the issue of innovative marketing. I'm not a marketer by profession, but I think these are all typical issues that we need to pay a lot of attention to it. So once again, let me use this opportunity to congratulate the Nigerian American Chamber of Commerce for being very proactive. We are in partnership, and we appreciate what you are doing to us as a state, because whenever you gather people, you are discussing issues to do with the well-being of society. And in a way, we are also demystifying other very serious issues like security. I don't want to believe that all of us here are coming from within Kaduna. And even if they are coming from within Kaduna, the fact of the matter is we have enjoyed some stable security over the last few years. So I think when you gather people and they feast and dine, is also an indication that the state is doing well in the area of security management. So we thank you most sincerely for doing that, for helping us to demystify the security situation of Kaduna State, because these numerous activities. Then, last but not least, is the need for sustained partnership between government and the private sector. None, what I mean by none is neither the private sector nor government can do it alone. We both need each other. So there is need for synergy, there is need for collaboration, there is need for exchange of information between the organized private sector and government, so that together we'll be able to take the economy of the nation to the next level. So I don't hope to take too much of your time. I want to thank all of us for making our time to attend, and I wish us a happy and successful deliberation. Thank you.